आज का दिन स्टार्ट हो रहा है विद एन FR वर्कशॉप. टुडे वी आर गोना फिनिश चैप्टर 15 ऑफ FR, जो है अपना कंटिजेंट एसेट प्रोविजन IAS 37 IAS 10. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग टू फिनिश. टू चेक आउट द वीडियो, यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा. एंड आई होप एवरी वन इज स्टडिंग वेल, राइट? आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर पुटिंग इन द एफर्ट. Really happy about that, guys. Exams around the corner, don't keep much for me. All the very best, and yeah, stay tuned. A lot of interesting things coming up, and also we're going to set up our LinkedIn today. That's something I'm really excited about. All the steps I'll show you, that how we are actually going about it, each and everything, what's the best practice and how we are executing it. Bye. I love this garden, guys, in the center of the 3 buildings around. It's just right in the center. It's such a lovely, well curated garden, but guess what, guys, it takes effort of someone to be taking care of it every day, right? All good things take some time, take some maintenance, and take some effort. But wow, yeah, the look and the experience and the fresh air that it gives to everybody around, it's worth the effort of maintaining it. I've been making these Excel files, which I felt was really useful during your revision phase, right? So this Excel file is basically an entire Kaplan exam kit or a BPP exam kit broken down in a way that you can easily revise. So if you have a look here, what we've done is, we've on the left side we've put the question, on the right side we've made the answer, we put the answer, and as we are doing in the question solving phase, the space in between we will put the reason that why the correct answer is the correct answer and what is the underlying concept. So making such Excel file, guys, makes the revision a lot more easier, and topic wise we will be making these Excel files, right? So please make sure that as you guys are also revising for your exams as they're coming forward, make similar Excel files and revise the questions at scale, at length, and in a very comfortable manner, so that you can see the left side the question, right side the answer, in the reason in between, so that whenever you revise also quickly you can revise. Okay, so I think it is a very useful tool, guys. They protest for everything. Yeah. Tell me one experience like that. Why did you feel like that? What did they protest about? Yeah.
We conducted a fest. Now they weren't satisfied with the results. They started protesting that we should get some award. Even though we didn't win, we should get some.
Okay. Damn, man. I went to MCC Fest and I was very happy with everything, the way it was organized. But yeah, one-off event. Yeah, okay, but they did not lose very gracefully. No, that's what, right? They didn't lose gracefully, right? Right. In your fest, huh?
In my event.
In your event, both MCC events?
Yeah.
Wow, quiz wala. Overall,
He's best manager.
His event who won?
Event head for best manager.
Ramesh was the event head, yeah.
I was the event head for quiz.
So who won in your event, Ramesh? In your event, who won? Which college?
That college, Presidency College.
Presidency College people won. In Ajay's MCC won.
Both.
Wow,
First prize and second prize.
That is crazy, yeah. Why is MCC winning so many fests?
Because the other teams are like hesitant. MCC are like open.
Yeah. That's good, yeah. But actually in MCC the fests are also amazing. Have you guys gone to a fest ever?
MCC we didn't go, sir, but
Did you email from ACCA yesterday saying that they are starting something called as the upskill platform, right? It's a virtual skills platform wherein you will learn a lot of skills using flashcards, using interactive videos. And what are the topics that are going to be here? Is that access interactive flashcards on what topics? Sustainability, business, innovative technology, and essential future skills, right? It looks like a great tool. Not only that, along with that, interview prep videos are going to be there as well. Interview prep videos. And guys, I think that's a great step from ACCA to help the students become a lot more employable. I think the biggest change that this digital transformation is bringing is helping the students become a lot more employable. Because you know what? At the end of every level, you have to finish a new employability module at the end of every level. That was already compulsory in CFA. Now they are doing it in ACCA as well. Second, this virtual skills platform, it is giving you ways to crack the interviews as well. So this is a step beyond the curriculum, helping you get into the real world and succeed in the real world. I think that's a great initiative and already looking into some positive signs from the digital transformation. Yeah, looks awesome. Damn, man. It looks like a crazy garage. Yeah? There's so many different kind of vehicles. But one of the best ones that I really liked was the all-time classic Royal Enfield. Of all the vehicles, you always find the one that you really like. This is the one really caught my eye. Great color, great finish, great power, great build. Wow, yeah. Bullet has its own charm. Guys, I've always been that person who's kind of always telling students to not take exemptions. Okay, I'm always that person, and I'm telling that don't take exemption. But I have a couple of students here and we've been discussing that why college life is also important, right? So Venkat had a very good point that these 4 years are the only years wherein you can actually have a better college time. So do you actually think that you would rather live your college life and do ACCA later on rather than actually sacrifice this college life and then focus on ACCA? What do you think?
Sir, you can balance it out. थोड़ा
थोड़ा कॉलेज भी हो जाएगा, थोड़ा ACCA भी हो जाएगा, तो better to do a regular BCom only and try to stay focused with ACCA.
we can striking the balance is important.
Correct.
मैं
Don't
अभी
go
तक
extreme.
नहीं कर पाया.
Ah, sure.
Try
See, that's
करो.
also good. Yeah,
Try
being
करो.
honest about it. Yeah, what do you think, Zai?
Yeah, same thing. I have the same opinion.
That you do your BCom as well and do your ACCA as well. You don't have to sacrifice one for the other. Both can happen.
Yeah. Like living, we only live one. So like
College life comes once, guys.
yeah.
Fair
When it
opinion.
starts with
Yeah,
all
come
the
on.
friendships you make, bond.
That fills your life up.
yeah, like memories, sir. Like when I'm
So it's not just about getting the degree and not having any memories, right? So you
There-
don't try
there's,
to.
there's,
में
there's
क्या ही
something
होता है?
better than money.
Evening
Also.
college में correct. It's little
There's
difficult.
something better than money also.
So more than practicality is more like an emotional decision.
And again, practicality because you learn skills that you learn in
Yeah.
college might not learn in evening college because the curriculum might not be that depth, right? So
So
it makes
for
you more
us-
sociable.
Yeah, for us right now they're teaching anyway ACCA subjects.
Fair, yeah. I mean, honestly, see, if I can't listen to opinions that I don't agree with, I think I'm not giving a very neutral opinion then, okay? So these are few folks who are actually studying college and they would think actually that should be the better way. But yeah, getting you guys this opinion as well, alright?